how to record narration in PowerPoint slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to record narration in your PowerPoint slides. So let's dive right in. Open up the PowerPoint presentation, make sure all of your slides are ready. Then go to the slideshow tab on the top and tap on the record option. Now, once it opens up, you'll get two options: record from current slide or record from beginning. Choose whatever you want to, and then you can even turn on the audio and video according to your wish. It is on the bottom right hand side, and start recording on the top right by pressing the circle. Now you can just move through the presentation and speak into your microphone, and PowerPoint will record your voice and video for each slide. You can also use the pen or highlighter tools to mark up your slides while you talk. So this makes the presentation more interesting, and it will keep the audience involved. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.